Hey, there's still a lot of snow here. Here are 5 times this winter when I was glad that I had the Zippo 6-hour rechargeable hand warmer with me. Number 1, outdoor sporting events. From going to see my niece's soccer games in late fall to outdoor hockey in the winter. Number 2, ice fishing. Your hands are constantly out of your gloves, baiting hooks and all sorts of things. It's awesome to have a hot pocket to slip your hands back into. Number 3, outdoor festivals. We like outdoor beer festivals in these parts. Pretty handy to have a hand warmer. Number 4, anytime I've been outside this winter and my phone was about to die. There's more than enough juice in here to get you through the rest of the day. And number 5, it's awesome for fall and winter camping, particularly when you crawl into your sleeping bag. It's nice to generate a little bit of heat, and it's nice to have something with an on and off switch versus something, oh, I don't know, combustible in your bag. And that's it. Next time you're heading outside and it's gonna be cold, go ahead and grab a Zippo rechargeable hand warmer. I guarantee you won't regret that you did.